LegalZoom Estate Planning App. The pros, the cons. The LegalZoom Estate Planning app is designed to make planning your future simple, but most people get this wrong when they think estate planning is only for the wealthy. The surprising truth is that having a will or trust is essential for anyone who wants to protect their assets and ensure their wishes are honored. One major pro is accessibility. The app guides users through creating wills, living trusts, and power of attorney documents with step-by-step prompts. Even if you've never dealt with legal forms before, the process is clear and intuitive. Another advantage is affordability. Hiring an attorney for estate planning can cost thousands of dollars, while LegalZoom offers a cost-effective solution that's legally valid and recognized across most states. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to save money without sacrificing legal compliance. However, there are cons. Complex estates, blended families, or specific tax considerations may require personalized advice from a licensed attorney. The app also cannot provide nuanced legal guidance for unusual situations, so users must ensure they understand how the documents apply to their circumstances. In conclusion, the LegalZoom Estate Planning app is a powerful tool for anyone looking to take control of their estate planning efficiently and affordably. It simplifies a traditionally complicated process, giving users peace of mind. For straightforward cases, it's an excellent standalone solution, but for more complex scenarios, consulting a professional is still recommended.